Hey you guys, welcome to Shekutech. I will be showing you on how you can, remove the background. Although I've done that in a previous video, but I received a request, okay, from one of my fans, okay, that she would like to know how to remove the background. Okay, after removing the background and you have something by the side that is unwanted and you want it to be removed, how are you going to go about that? Okay, that is exactly what we'll be showing you on this video. Okay, so if you're having issues with that, you may want to stick to the end of this video and see the way we are going to edit this video and show you how you can bring back the background that you have removed already. And if you have something by the side of the picture that is unwanted, you can simply remove it using the eraser effect. All right, so let's go straight to business. Let's click on Chrome, and then the usual site is remove.bg. You may want to check the previous video, okay, that actually resulted to this video. If you want to do that, then you can simply check down the link. Okay, I'll drop this link in the description page where you can find the link to the previous video. So let's find remove.bg. okay, that's the site's name. Remove.bg is already showing here. Let me use Google and then click on this. This is the right one. Now it takes us to the page where we have to upload an image. So we upload image. I need an image, okay, that when I upload I will not just be satisfied with what it has given me, so I have to edit to get what I want. Okay, my phone is kind of slow, but let's get there. Okay, I think I've seen a picture that I'm okay with. Yeah, this picture here seems to show me and someone here, although the person is somewhere at my back, so I think it is going to remove the person as well, but at least we will still have an unwanted cloth showing. So let's press done. Okay, so you can see it has removed the person that was previously at my back. That's because he's also my background, so anything at the background, okay, will be removed. Then the rest thing that are still showing that you don't want, probably by your side, somebody was shoulder to shoulder by your side and you don't want the person to show, okay, you can simply clean off these people. You can remove them. Okay, so right now, actually what I don't want here is this cloth showing here. Okay, so I will use this feature to remove this. So let's click on edit. But before I show you that, okay, there are other features on this particular site, okay, that you may not know about. Okay, features like changing of background. Okay, I can decide to change my background to this. Okay, and even after changing my background to this, okay, I can decide to blur the background. If I don't want the background to show very well, I can use any of these to blur it, either 1, 2, 3, but the third one is more blurred than any one. So let me use the first one. You can see a bit blurred, the second one more blurred, and the third one you can see it's totally blurred. Now I don't want anything blurred because I even don't want. So let me go back, remove the blurred stuff. So what we're interested is how do we remove this cloth here. So we click on this part, okay, of the site here. So you click on erase stroke restore. So that's where it will give you access to the brush, okay. And what do you want to do? If I want to erase, I'll be on the erase part. If I want to restore simply means this background, I can erase the background and it will go back to my previous background. Let's see what I'm talking about. Restore. So when I do restore and I make the brush you can make the brush big, okay, to your satisfaction, and also you can take the brush up so that when you're moving that hand there, that red hand, okay, you don't have to be exactly on the brush. So now I can restore. Can you see that I'm actually restoring what I have done already? That guy is beginning to come back. So this is how you can restore. So I'm just showing you how restore works. Now in a similar way, okay, that we restore, we can as well erase somebody who is close and we don't want that person to show. So let me restore first. Now you can see the picture is back. I have restored and the picture is back. but this is not what we are after. So let me go back. So I actually want, okay, so I want, okay, let me just go back to our stuff. Let's go back. You can click back here, okay, to go back to the initials, and you can go forward here, okay, if you made a mistake or something. So I actually don't want that. I just wanted to show you how to do that. So let's go back to our usual thing. And I want this cloth here, okay, sorry, go back. So let me go back to erase now, okay, erase. My problem now is the clothes I want to clean is actually not showing again, so I don't know how to go about that. Let's go back. Okay, sorry, we missed that. Okay, so let's upload the picture again. Okay, let's quickly upload the picture again so I can show you how to erase, because that is my actual target. So upload, done. Okay, so this is the cloth I want to erase. I don't know why it wasn't showing, so let me put it up a bit, so even if I press the edit button, I'll still be able to see it. So straight ahead, okay, I want to use the erase button this time because I've shown you how to use the restore. I'm already on the erase button, so I can, you know, begin to erase. Can begin to erase. Can you see how I'm erasing? You can set this ball as you want, okay. If you want it to be up a bit, it depends on what you want to do, but right now I think I need it like this, so that when I'm cleaning, to just be cleaning. So I can erase this bottom like this and make only the white part of me, the white part of the cloth showing. Something like this. Well, you can do it and make it very neat. Okay, so let's change the background. So for this to be visible, let's go to background. So you can see how it's appearing now. So you can see I've cut that part. So the same way, if somebody is, you know, somewhere around here, okay, and you want to remove them, you can always do the same thing, okay, to remove them. You can remove anything. You can even cut part of your ear. you can remove part of your hand, okay. So you can do anything, okay. Just be creative and make sure you do something great. All right, this is where we're going to stop. Don't forget, we have the link, okay, to the first video in case this is actually not clear to you. The 1 minute video might just help you. All right, thank you for watching, and I remain Oshekutech. Bye.